Benefits of clove water in our body. Lowers blood pressure, lowers blood sugar levels, protects you against cancer, relieves itchy skin, treats sexually transmitted infectious diseases like simples. Today, we are going to learn how to make clove water. Clove water can last for 2 years if kept properly. You don't need preservatives. Clove water is like wine. The more it stays, the more it becomes fine. We have got our cloves in the hands. We are going to first sort them very well to remove stones and dirt. We are going to put our cloves in a saucepan. Measure a small amount of water, like for 100 guineas of cloves, we are going to put 3 liters of water. Put our cloves on fire, let it boil until it brings a black color like black wine or black tea leaves. Then remove our cloves from fire. We leave them to cool for 12 hours. Example, if we boil our cloves today. We will sieve the cloves the following morning. Preventing the clove water not to get spoiled because of heat, we will sieve it very well and put our clove water in the bottle ready for drinking every day. Heal your body with clove water. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next video.